can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we finally received our Stone Island package. Literally it took like 2 to 3 days to get here. It's Saturday while I'm recording this. Hopefully I'm gonna drop this on Sunday, which is tomorrow. And I got this shit in 2 days, bro. That's honestly crazy. And I want to get straight into this package, so I'm not really gonna wait to get other shit to unbox it with. If y'all want to see a full review of this piece, a detailed review and legit check on body, anything like that, go ahead and let me know down below, because I will knock that out for y'all. We're actually about to hit 10,000 subscribers and the shit is crazy. My plan is to bring y'all a room tour, sneaker collection, a Q&A, all that type of stuff on a weekly basis once I do hit 10,000. So go ahead and subscribe down below. Click that Gleam link if y'all want to enter in a giveaway as well. That's gonna be done in like 9 or 8 days. I honestly forget, but go ahead and enter that if y'all want to. Leave a like, subscribe like I said, and let's get straight into this video. So in this package right here, we got one of my most expensive pickups from Supreme ever. Actually, retail wise, this is my most expensive piece. I do have a box logo, which I barely wear anymore, honestly, but I do have that, and this is my most expensive retail piece. This came up to $400, but they did return my tax, so it was really like $348 or something like that, $358, which is still a crazy ass price. Don't get it twisted. Let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing though. We got our bag right here, Supreme bag as usual. We got something peeking out right there. It's something real special. So dang, this shit big as hell. Look at this, damn. Nah, they can't just do that, bro. They gave me 2 regular red stickers. This is a high ticket item, bro. I need high ticket experience. Where's the shower caps? Where's the Lena box logo? Like, they should have just slid 2 of those in here to compensate, like for real though. But that's beside the point. Let's go ahead and get straight into these pants right here. I've heard the fit is kind of weird, but when I checked Stone Island, it said that these do run a little larger compared to their regular stuff, so it probably does run true to size. Hopefully that's the case. Honestly, they're ODing. Let's go ahead and open this shit right here, see what these looking like. All right, material wise, they're okay. Damn, these bitches baggy as hell. Look at the bottom, bruh. Damn, these is way baggier than what I thought. Honestly, the camo on these shits is weak. These shits look like they're just gray black pants. Hopefully y'all will see the hey, you could pick it up on the camera. It's alright, bro. It looks like this shit has grease stains all over it. I'm not even gonna lie, but we do got that infamous badge on the side right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some detailed looks real quick. So bang, yo, these shits look like they run humongous. All right, hold up. Got that Supreme Stone Island tag right there, up close and personal. Got the actual Stone Island tag right here. Something I didn't even know from the preview was that it has the actual Stone Island Supreme badge right here sewn in. I didn't see that in the actual preview for the collaboration, but it does have that on one side. Then on the other side is what mainly we go for when we want these pants or their apparel. That little badge right here, that Stone Island button on patch. I feel like the quality on these is A1, I'm not gonna lie, but compared to that price, my G, I don't know. Got the authentication tag right here. I feel like I'm doing a review on these shits and I don't even want to do that. This shit is fire. It's like a greenish, grayish, darkish type camo. One thing that I am disappointed about is the bagginess, bruh. These hoes is baggy as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know if I'm gonna do B-roll, but I'm about to try these shits on and I'll let y'all know, because they look crazy right now. Hella crazy. But yo, these are my most expensive pair of pants ever, and I got it because of this shit right there that says Supreme Stone Island and this little badge right there. Honestly, I've been wanting some Stone Island pants for the longest. I just never ever pulled the trigger because it was hella expensive, but I looked at it like this, right? I've been wanting some of their pants. I got the bread right now. Can make the live cop for y'all. Fuck it. Let's go for it. That's how I thought the morning I was buying these, but I'm about to go ahead and try these on. If these hit the floor, I'm about to be pissed. Oh, hell no. These shits baggy as hell. I want to take these shits to a tailor, bro. I already know I do. Damn. Oh, nah. These parachute pants, my G. Nah, this ain't it, bro. Oh my god, these hoes is parachute pants. They don't look that bad on body, but I wish these shits was more tapered. I'm not gonna lie. For anybody wondering the sizing on this, I feel like these shits run big, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie, I feel like these shits run big, bro. Fit wise, I don't know, dude. I feel like with some bulky sneakers, these shits look hard. I don't know, son. Damn, I'm reconsidering these shits right here, boy. I just paid up half a band for some fucking baggy pants. some bullshit. But I don't know, bro. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. I feel like these pants right here, they're fire, but they're not worth that price. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel like if I would have just went for some regular Stone Island pants, I probably would have been even more satisfied. I don't know, bro. It might not be worth it, honestly. These shit's baggy. Yo, let me know down below if I could take Stone Island to a tailor. Like, I wanna know, because if I could tailor these right here, it's game over, bro. I thought when it had the little band at the bottom, it was gonna be way tighter. No, bro. They're big as hell. The band don't even do nothing. Low-key disappointed. Still got the Supreme Stone Island, so it is what it is. Let me know what y'all thought down below. If you enjoyed it, man, leave a like. Spam F in the comments to pay your respects, because I just took the L. I thought these shits was gonna fit way better. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but they look alright. They just look weird looking down at them, but like in the mirror, they look pretty cool. You feel me? I don't know. Let me know if y'all want a review on these, a legit check, because they might be faking these shits. Just let me know what y'all want, bro. Any type of videos y'all would like me to make, let me know down below. Click that Gleam link if you want to enter in a giveaway. Go ahead and subscribe to help reach 10K. It all means a lot, but without any further ado, man, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Tragic. Straight tragedy, bro.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.